Box number 2, 2007 Topps Triple Threads. This is going to be 2 packs. One will be a triple relic auto, possibly a triple relic triple auto. The other will be a triple relic. Could be a white whale number to 1, could get something sick like that. So let's see, we'll try the bottom one first. Not for you yet, Reg, no. We just did the first box, which was classics. Now we're doing the threads, and then we got box of '09 treasures. Good luck, guys. All right, base cards, Jim Brown, Travis Henry. Oh, I just saw the hit. Thomas Jones, Champ Bailey, and Torrey Holt. The hit is not a good one, and it is our auto, so we're not going to have a good auto in the box. Out of 99 for the Titans. It's actually not terrible, because this guy still plays, I believe, for them. Chris Davis, wide receiver. Triple relic auto out of 99. Definitely not what we're looking for, though. So unless you have the Titans, Chris Smith has them. Not too thrilled with that. And hopefully this will be a good multi-jersey card, patch card, whatnot. See if we can save the box. That's funny, Drew. Yeah. Let's see. All right, base cards, Larry Johnson, Torrey Holt, Jamal Lewis, Torrey Holt, Santana Moss. All right, the hit. It's going to be gold. Nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. It's a it's a white patch, and then a multicolor patch, and then another white patch. The one in the middle looks like a piece of the Reebok logo. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like. It is numbered 5 out of 9, and this will go to football coach, of course. Football coach Reggie Wayne, 5 out of 9. 5 out of 9. Beautiful. It looks like the Reebok logo in the middle there. Can't say for sure. I think it's right. Whatever's right above here on his number on the sleeve is what that is. So at least that's nice. Yeah, that's what that is. Definitely. That's part of that. Right above his letter. So I guess they cut it into 9 pieces. So very nice, Jason. Congratulations again. And now the daddy. This is where we're all going to hold our breath a little bit. Except for me, because my teams probably aren't going to hit in here. 2009 National Treasures. Good luck, everybody. Haven't busted this in a while. The base card on the front is going to go to the Buffalo Bills. Trent Edwards. Holy shit! Wow! 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 All right, for the Bills, out of 99, Trent Edwards. And now, the first hit. This is why I knew this was going to be a good break, guys. And I told you the Treasures was going to be a good box. I told you guys, just like I told you with the basketball, that this was going to be a good box. And this was going to be a good one to buy a sketch card and get a bonus team in. Victorious. Are you in here? Victorious 2000. Victorious, are you paying attention? Are you paying attention? Or are you not in here? Oh, you are here? How about that? You want that card? I don't really pull good cards, though. If you guys have noticed the last year, I don't really pull good cards. It's the first one of those I've pulled. You do want it? You do want it. All right. Okay. I'll refund your sketch card if you want. Congratulations. Let me just set this in this pile so it's by itself. For the Green Bay Packers, Jamie, for the Green Bay Packers, out of 50, Greg Jennings, jersey. Greg Jennings. Reg, you missed it. Mark Sanchez, 48 out of 50. 48 out of 50 for the New York Jets. It's a couple $100, I believe, right? For the Jacksonville Jaguars, who are out, so this will be a random. 26 out of 50, jumbo dual jersey, rookie auto. So if you do not have any hits yet, have a shot at that one. The next hit. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful card. Wow, I have no piece of this. 13 out of 25. This is going to be between the Packers, which is going to be Jamie R.I. 58. The 49ers, which is Yang Ray. And the Colts, which is football coach. A patch with a gold star on it from Brett Favre's uniform. A red patch, which is part of the letter from Montana's uniform. That would be, I'm sorry, Young, Steve Young. And a two-color patch of Peyton Manning. That is a decent random. Look at the star on the Favre. So that's going to be a random. Next hit. For the New York Football Giants, Gartrell Johnson, rookie auto at a 99. For the New York Giants, raw red baboon ass. Raw red. Getting on the board. Next hit. Oh, we got another quad. Wow. I do have a little piece of this one, though, possibly. 2 out of 99. It's going to be between the Miami Dolphins, AZ Sports Guy, San Francisco 49ers, Yang Ray, the Buffalo Bills, which is me, the Dallas Cowboys, J Miami, 4 jerseys to 99, Dan Marino, Steve Young, again, I almost said Joe Montana, Jim Kelly, and Troy Aikman. What a box. Wow. Wow. Beautiful card. Love patch cards or logo cards like this. 14 out of 26. Jamie R.I. 58. Lambeau Leap fan's going to love this. Roley's going to love this. For the Green Bay Packers. Green Bay logo patch auto out of 25, Donald Driver. Gorgeous box. And the last card is going to go also to the Packers. It's going to be out of only 10, and it's going to be a rookie of Clay Matthews. Very nice. Clay Matthews. Rookie out of 10. That is a solid card right there, Jamie. Of course, the hit of the break. Wow, what a beauty. What a beauty. What a beauty. 1 box of NT, and this is what we yank. Not even counting those other jersey cards and whatnot. Wow.